I'm almost sure that people around you, especially by watching TV and listening to some of the journalists, may be saying that what government is doing. They are collecting more and more taxes and then giving ration to 81 crore people. I am earning, I am working day and night here, and government is distributing the money here and there in so many freebies and to states like Andhra Pradesh and Bihar. This is nothing but note for vote. Is it correct? As a student of economics, you have to have figures with you. I don't agree with the argument of these kind. If you see, the revenue expenditure is declining. Revenue expenditure means the expenditure which is made for managing the regular expenses of government like paying salaries and also subsidies. The expenses on subsidies is also declining as a percentage of GDP, except this year of 21 because here the impact of COVID was there. And interesting fact which I love the most is this increase in the capital expenditure as a percentage of GDP. Increase in the effective capex to GDP ratio. I'm not asking you to remember all these ratios. Please understand, for the exam purpose, for phase 2 purpose specifically, this is going to be useful whether you write CP, RBI, NABARD or any other competitive exam. Most important thing is to understand the trend, what is happening here, because this much of money is going in the capital formation. The revenue expenditure is declining. You can see capital expenditure is growing, and of course therefore the ratio of the capex to revenue expenditure, REVEX, is also improving. Here you need to understand capital expenditure in FY24 at 9.5 lakh crore is a growth of 28% year on year, 2.8 times of 2020. If you don't understand capital expenditure, these are the sectors: road, railways, defense services, transport to states, telecom, urban housing, and other affairs, atomic energy, defense, police, space. And this capex also brings private investment. Now, because government is creating infrastructure, addressing the logistical challenge, it is now up to the private sector to take forward this movement. Survey is writing that during this time, private non-financial corporation in overall gross fixed capital formation increased only 0.8%. As we saw, revenue expenditure remained restrained. Therefore, the tax collection which has increased has resulted into more expenses on the capital expenses side, which is going to create robust infrastructure in the economy and going to induce the demand by attracting more foreign investment, more private sector investment. Do you agree or do you have still another view? You may write in the comment. You are liking this video, please subscribe to the channel. Remember, you are at ixamBee for 50% faster preparation.